Hello together. Yeah, happy to see you again about mathematics basic. Yes, page 1 and 2, and this page we focus on page 4, 15. It's simple here. You can see 6 plus 9, yeah, equal 15, and so now different 15. Yes, minus 1 equal 1. So related video, yeah, last video that we study already about this. When you can see this line 6, yes, from, yeah, outside, and this 6 too. So we, yes, delete here, and delete here, and this 6. Yes, and this you can see 9, and here is 9 too. Yeah, so you can get total, and yes, 15 minus 9 equals 6. Yeah, or you can use first for 10. 10 minus 9 equal 1. 1 minus 5 equals 6. Easy to understand. And so in this you can see bubbles. Yes, right away family, you can see the picture, and this you can see 9 and plus 5. And so the wave family and what wave family. So for easy understand about wave family, you can see it's simple. We can, yeah, write big number example. You can see it's about this 9, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, yeah, 8, 9. Or you can see 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3 and 3, 9, 3 line 2. So 9, you can see 9 here, and 9 you can see here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, 2 plus 3, 5. 9 plus 5 equal 14. Yeah, but we can, yeah, write like this too. We can break 5, yeah, first, and 9, yeah, next. Yeah, the same answer, the same answer. This way family, but you can see this line. This line we complete swap. This line we complete swap. So I will, yes, explain unique, and so now you can see about the next is make review here the subtract, and so when, yeah, 1 2 3 4 5 6, so when exercise when 8 minus 6 equal 1. Yeah, if you use for 10, yeah, it's that easy for you. It's important, but it's only 8. You can use you can 8 minus 6 equal 3. Yeah, easy. And this 5 plus 5 equal 10. So I will complete with you together. So continue. Yeah. So in this 4, so I back here, and so you can see all together. And so now 5 with 4 with 3, and so now 6, yeah, plus 9, yes, I write more because more here, equal 15. So like here you can complete like this. 15 the same 15, and so it is okay, the same, and it the same 6. So finish 1 and 2. So 5, yeah, 5, yeah, plus 10 equal 15, and different 15 minus 10 equal 5. So now it is 4 plus, yeah, 11 equal 15. That's so fast. Yes, and different 15 minus 11 equal 4. And so now you can see, yeah, 3 plus Yeah, you may remember that 3 don't write from here. 3 you can see down from 6, 6, 5, 4. Yeah, 6, 5, 4. Yeah, 3 here. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 4. Yeah, yeah. 3 plus 12 equal 15. Different 15 minus 12 equal 3. We can write down 1, 2, then we can write down more. Yeah, it's simple 2 plus 1 plus 0 plus, but we don't complete here. Yeah, so you can see this line you can complete here, and so now this column you can complete here. So you can see write the Fourier family for the picture. So you can see it together, and you can see carefully. And so now write the Fourier family. So now explain you already about this, and that's 9. We count here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 plus 5. 9 plus 5 equal 14. Yeah, different easy here. Yeah, and this different easy. 14 minus 5 equal 9. Yeah. And so now in this you can see we can write with 5 first. 5 plus what? 5 plus, okay, and 9 equal 14, and different 14 minus 9 equal 5. So you can see this the same and this the same. So it's, yeah, and so you can see this one 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and so now you can see 7 plus 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 plus 8, so equal 15. So two lines you can write big 8, the first 8 plus 7 equal 15. So different that easy for you understand. I think that you will understand. Yeah, so 15 the same, 15 the same. So minus what? So now minus 8 equals 7, and this minus 7 equal 8. So it is right. Yeah, that easy for you understand. And so you can see continuous. That is column you can write here 2 line, 1 line, 2 line, and so now this column you can write here, and this column you can write here, and this column you can write here. And so you can see suppose, yes, here I write here because I don't use more papers. And so now 8 minus 6 equal 2. 8 minus 6 equal 2. 5 minus 5 equal 10. Sorry, 5 plus 5 equal 10, and 6 minus 2 equal 4, and 9 minus 4 equal 5, and 3 plus 7 equal 10, and you can say 10 minus 5 equal 5. So thank you for your watching, and see you in the video. Think that you understand this. If you don't understand, you can ask to me. And so now the next page is the page 103. This book more than 400 pages. Thank you and goodbye. Bye bye.